Hello everyone and welcome to Solving Solo series for CAT examinations. Solving one question at one time. A question from algebra, and you know the drill. Please pause the video and try to solve. Let's see how we can solve this. Total number of integer pair x comma y satisfying the equation x plus y is equals to xy. Now can I write this as x plus y minus xy is 0, x common 1 minus y, and I have y, so let me take minus 1 minus y, minus 1 plus 1 will be equals to 0. That means x minus 1 into 1 minus y is minus 1. That we multiply both sides by minus 1. So I'll have x minus 1 into y minus 1 is equals to 1. Now we know that when product of two number is 1, then we can say that either both number are equals to 1 or both are equals to minus 1 when we are looking out for integral solution. So in case 1, if I equate these two with 1, I'll get x minus 1 is 1, that is x is 2, and if y minus 1 is 1, then y is 2. That means 2 comma 2, one pair of integral solution we have got till now. Now case 2, if I take x minus 1 equals to minus 1, then x is 0, and if y minus 1 is equals to minus 1, then y is 0. Another integral pair which we can have is 0, 0. So total number of integral pairs we can have is 0, 0 or 2 comma 2, which satisfy this particular equation. Answer would be 2. Keep solving more questions on algebra. I'll come up with few more on it in subsequent Solving Solo series. Thank you. I'll see you soon.